Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more stressful than watching your hard-earned milk supply dip, especially when you are trying to live your absolute best life, travel the world, and rock that designer diaper bag. If you are a breastfeeding mom who loves a good luxury vacation but you are constantly stressing over whether your body is producing enough ounces, you can officially take a deep breath. You do not have to resort to chalky, basic store brand solutions that taste like cardboard. Today, we are spilling the tea on the most bougie, high-end supplement powders on the market that will absolutely skyrocket your milk supply while keeping your luxury aesthetic completely intact. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your mind, your style, or your sanity. We know that being a modern, breastfeeding mom means you want the absolute best for your baby, but you also want products that fit seamlessly into your high-end lifestyle. Whether you are prepping for a long-haul flight in first class or just pushing your luxury stroller down to the local high-end boutique, you deserve supplements that actually work and taste incredible. Grab your favorite iced latte and let's get right into the ultimate milk-boosting game changers. Let's start with our first luxury hack, which is all about upgrading your morning wellness ritual with premium lactation lattes. Ditch those aggressive herbal pills that make you smell like maple syrup. Instead, look for high-end, organic powders infused with micro-milled organic oats, moringa, and shattering amounts of milk-boosting nutrients. Brands like Mica produce clean, clinical-grade powders that blend flawlessly into an oat milk latte or a green smoothie. It is the ultimate morning power move. You get a massive boost to your milk supply, a clean dose of energy for a long day of travel, and it feels like a total spa experience right in your kitchen. It is a total game changer for mamas who refuse to compromise on taste or quality. Next up, let's talk about the ultimate jet-setter travel hack, single-serve premium hydration packets. When you are flying thousands of miles or spending long days on vacation, dehydration will absolutely tank your ounces. Enter high-end electrolyte and lactation blends like those from Liquid IV or specialized luxury postnatal brands. These single-serve packets are perfect for tossing into your Chanel tote or slipping past TSA in your carry-on. You just drop them into a bottle of premium spring water while waiting at the airport lounge, shake it up, and you are good to go. They use clean, target-driven ingredients to hyperhydrate your body, which directly influences how many ounces you can pump into your travel chiller later. Our third educational segment focuses on the holy grail of luxury supplements, pasture-raised collagen lactation proteins. If you want to keep your skin glowing, your hair thick, and your milk supply overflowing while traveling, a premium collagen-based lactation powder is worth every single buck. These high-end powders combine grass-fed collagen peptides with powerful galactagogues like brewer's yeast and milk thistle. They easily dissolve into your favorite travel mug, giving you the protein you need to stay full during a hectic day of flights while sending your milk production into overdrive. It is multitasking at its absolute finest, bougie edition. Boosting your milk supply does not mean you have to settle for less. With the right high-end gear, premium supplement powders, and a little bit of self-care, you can keep your ounces up and your stress levels at absolute zero. If you loved these luxury mama hacks and want more real talk on breastfeeding education and elite travel, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite high-end supplement brand. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.